So I was one shelf lock short. Not quite on there, but I ordered more, and the description is below. Let's see if it works. So these are 1-inch clips. Pretty straightforward. Make sure they're at the top when you're putting them together. Top goes together with top, with the tops up right there. So let's see if it fits. Now I will warn you, sometimes when you put these things together, you need a hammer to take them apart. Luckily for me, I did not put them on that hard, so it's not that hard to take apart. Take our clip around, but it clipped, so let's throw this back on the top. So yes, now I have 70 clamps left. What shall I do? Get another wire rack. That's what you should do too. Stay organized. Thanks for checking out this video, and I'll see you in the next one.